First off, you strip the roof off, back to the decking. You strip the old stuff off, check for rotten timber. If it is rotten, obviously you've got to take it up, replace it with OSB decking. The 3-layer membrane felt is a torch on bitumen felt. The first layer you never torch down. You always tack it or staple it. Yeah, the second layer we use is a 2mm underlay. We use a gecko underlay. Use 2.5 sometimes, depending on what sort of roof it is. 2.5mm if there's a lot of detail in it. I like to use 2.5mm. We always use charcoal, mineral top layer. It's a better colour, it weathers nicer. Yeah, it just gives an overall nicer appearance to the actual roof.
We put here glue, not cement, because glue is better. Yeah?
Why you want working on the roof? Because this is nice job, nice work.
I started roofing as soon as I left school, probably about 11 years ago now. Yeah, just started off labouring and moved up onto learning how to do felt flat roofs. And that's pretty much my specialty, flat roofs.